Hello everyone. So in our channel after a long time we are putting an unboxing. So this is the most awaited laptop or notebook that is available under 39k inside our industry. This is our MI notebook, as you can clearly see it. So it's not the fragile edition. It's been just 14-inch. I bought it around 39k and hopefully all others can also visit it. I bought it from mi.com and many of the cashback offers are also there. I will leave the product link in description. You can clearly use that link to avail this feature and enjoy the laptop. So let's properly unbox it and test it in our way. I hope you like this video. So let's do it. So I open the box. Two speakers are being present at 2 watt. So this is one 2 watt speaker and this is one 2 watt speaker. And down we have Windows branding and HDMI. And here's the dual cooling that Xiaomi claims to be a perfect cooling that it readily uses in its smartphones. So here they provided a bush. I think it's for a sedimentation of laptop. So in front you can see there is no labeling of Xiaomi. So once we have opened it, they have been given us with the help of protection, and I think the screen is more vivid, and this is the thing, they claim this has a paper protection. So when I remove the soft layer, you can see it's a clunky keyboard where the keyboards are being placed apart and they have been quite a distance spaces are there, so for which a perfect gamers or perfect purchases can be easily done. And my variant has Intel i5 core 10th generation. Okay, so you can clearly see it. So what happens is once I need to boot up it and let's see how it works. I suppose there is no charge. Let's check it and inquire with it how it's been performing. Okay, so I have on it. There's no charge as it's a sealed piece. So you can clearly see the physical overview. The screen is around 14 inches. I suppose it's a very compact laptop, and the best comparison would be done after seeing its compact size. We can clearly easily you can view it with the help of other laptops, but we can see when it places on the ground, it's not more than a A4 sheet. and more enough the color would be greatest spec around the market, and this may be the best one that you can purchase under 40k. So I'll just on it and I'll just show you the on-screen time and all. So I had configured this system according to my views. Yeah, it's a little compact. As you can already mention the hardware specs. A dual cooling system followed by the microphone at the bottom, and we have 2-watt speakers followed by the 2-watt speakers, as I've already mentioned. Coming back to the front, it's just compact keyboard. Here we can see it's pretty fast. I think it's Windows Home 10 that they have inbuilt given me, and yes, it supports Office 365 for a year, as you can see. And it also contains some added flavors of MI, as MI Share has been included, and some kind of browsers also been pre-installed, like Microsoft Edge as already comes with Microsoft Windows. And coming back to physical overview, we have microphones which can be clearly seen, and this system in short is a kind of system that most people would like to be having. See the keyboard, it's little punchy, but still the spaces are being quiet. Like when we use this kind of keyboard, what happens is mostly our fingers slide on other words, just because we have the long para to type and just we have the flow to just depict ourselves. So instead of this, if we directly see a little punchy style, so moreover it's been pretty good according to me. Then coming back to the trackpad, the most important thing, we have multi sensing trackpad, and we have some gestures also of MI, like 3-finger rotation spaces the screenshot of the above screen, and some kind of added features have been there. And this is Intel i5 10th generation processor and 8GB RAM, and we have some graphic cards also, and 256GB SSD storage also. Mostly I would say it's cost worthy, but little punchy according to its worth. And it's been clearly stated that laptop is very compact, but one thing is it's been like Xiaomi. So if you really trust them, and we can easily depict the things, like you can clearly see it. And coming back, let me show you once my configurations so that you can clearly have the look. Okay, let's. So here's, yeah, so here's the things. Intel Core i5 2.1 GHz, and the same Windows 10 Home simple, and i5 10th generation. Yeah, so 8GB RAM and Windows activate. Okay, so yes, so that's all for this review, and hopefully I will give the link in the description so that you can easily purchase from there. And according to me, it's cost worthy, but for 41k i5 10th generation you have been getting, and the processor is also pretty much good. Yes, it's compact, and it formally has an LCD display. That's been a good. It has a considered good GPU also for graphics, and it's basically Xiaomi claims a 10 hours of battery on-screen time of 10 hours of battery, but I don't know how much it will support. But my friends have purchased, and they have been getting in around 6 to 7 hours in on-screen time. So I'll be reviewing it after a week. If you guys demand, then we can just follow the things. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Hope you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Hope you like the video, and do check the description for purchasing this laptop as an affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Thanks.